In this video, I will show you how you can use Nicehash for mining. Nicehash is a platform where you can buy hash power or you can sell your hash power. Without difference which algorithm do you mining, you will get paid in Bitcoin. First, you need to make account on Nicehash. Click on this Get Started and it will says create a new Nicehash account. You need to enter your email address, create password and select from which countries do you are and then click on this create account. Because I already have account, I will click just on login. And after you login, you will get on the first page on the Nicehash. Here we can see a different things and it is little bit confusing if you are first time on this screen, but you have couple of links in the first row here and let's try to go through all of them. In the mining section you can see your mining dashboard. Here will appear every rig you connect to Nicehash. If you don't have any rigs connected on the Nicehash, first from the right side you have one button which says download miner or ASIC. On this button, if you click, you will get couple of options: Nicehash quick miner, Nicehash miner, Nicehash operating system and how to connect ASIC device. Or the last option is Stratum generator. This is for use with any miner for mining and it will generate address. I will show you how to do this. First and easiest option for Nicehash is to use Nicehash miner. If you are a beginner or you are just doing this for fun, easiest way to start mining with Nicehash is to download this Nicehash miner. Click on this button and it will show how the Nicehash miner is looking and you can download Nicehash miner on this button. Click on this download button and Nicehash miner will be started. After the download is finished, run the miner. Now we need to install this miner, so click on this I accept the terms and license and click on next. Shortly miner will be installed and you can click this run Nicehash miner and click on finish button. Click on this I accept and click next. And now miner will be started. Now you need to enter a Nicehash mining address to be able to start mining. Your mining address you will find from the left side on this button mining address. If you click here, you will see your mining address for Nicehash. This mining address is just for mining on Nicehash. Click on this copy button and enter your mining address in the Nicehash miner and click on this button save. Now miner will be started and you can see that it's downloading some miners needed to run this Nicehash miner. Nicehash miner uses a different miners for mining like LOL miner, Naba miner and XM rig. You need to accept all this, so this miner will be included in the Nicehash miner. After you accept all this, you need to restart miner. Click on this restart button and again miner will start updating. After all updates in done with Nicehash miner, you can see that this is the front page of the miner. In devices you have couple of links here. In first first screen is your dashboard. Second is devices able to start mining on Nicehash. On third you have benchmarks, you can benchmark all your devices, and in the fourth you have plugins or miners used in Nicehash miner for mining. In the devices section you can choose, do you want to mine with your processor and graphic card or just one of these. I will exclude my CPU and I will try mining just with NVIDIA Gigabyte card. In this benchmark section you need to benchmark your graphic card for every algorithm used in Nicehash for your hardware, because this miner is profit switching and it mines most profitable coin and algorithm in the moment. This process needs some time, so click on this start benchmark and leave it until it's finished. After the benchmark is done, miner will start mining the most profitable coin in the moment or most profitable algorithm in the moment. You can stop this, and as you can see, for me now it started LOL miner and it is mining Equihash algorithm. This is the most profitable in the moment, and this was started as a default mining. In any time you can stop this process clicking on this pause button. Other way to mine on the Nicehash, and the way I am using Nicehash for mining, is click on this download miner or add ASIC, and in this last section it says Stratum generator. Click on this and select your mining algorithm. You can choose between different algorithms, but I will show you how to do this for ETC hash. Click on this ETC hash and it will generate addresses for mining Etherhash on Nicehash. For this option you need to use your regular miner for mining. For mining with NVIDIA I am using T-Rex, so I will show you how to set up a batch file in T-Rex for mining on Nicehash. Open your T-Rex miner folder and find where it says etc. Here we can see etc batch file prepared for 2 miners, but we will modify this and make for Nicehash. Right click on this file and edit. In this batch file copy this address from Nicehash and replace this for 2 miners. And in the field where it says mining address, paste your mining address from Nicehash. After the address you can add your worker. Click dot and type your worker name. Save this file. And now you have prepared batch file for mining on Nicehash. You can close this, and when we start miner, our worker will be shown in this field where it says rigs. So open your T-Rex miner and double click on the batch file you've just created. You can see that miner is already started mining. So once miner start finding shares on the pool, your worker will be shown in this field here. You can see that my worker is already registered on the pool and it is started mining on Nicehash. This process you can do with any kind of algorithm you want to mine on Nicehash. For example, if you want to mine Kapao or Ravencoin, you can search here your desired algorithm. Here is Kapao, click on this and it will generate new addresses. Copy these addresses into the mining folder, and your miner create new batch file with this stratum and with this address, and miner will start mining on the Nicehash. So if we want to start mining Kapal or Ravencoin algorithm, open your T-Rex miner, find where it says Ravencoin. Here is the Ravencoin. Right click, show more options, edit, and replace, copy this stratum and replace in your batch file, and copy your mining address and replace with that in the batch file. And after the address you can type dot and name of your worker. Save this file, and now you have prepared batch file for mining Kapal algorithm on Nicehash. Double click on this file and it will start mining on Nicehash. Once miner is started, it needs couple of seconds or minutes to report that your worker is connected with Nicehash pool. In this field history and stats, you can see which algorithm is mining your worker and with what hash rate and how much is earning in the moment. So to see your balance updated, miner is need to mine some period, some couple of minutes, half an hour, and you will get your statistic here displayed, where will says how much you are earning in the moment. And here you will see your unpaid balance, and when the mining period is over, this unpaid balance will be transferred in your Bataca wallet. You can see here you have next payout, so Nicehash is transferring this unpaid mining balance in the Bataca wallet balance every 4 hours. On the Nicehash, beside mining with your mining cards, you can also rent hash power. If you click on this hash power marketplace, you will be able to rent some hash power if you don't have mining rigs. But for renting, you need to enable buying, and for this enable buying, they are requesting KYC authorization. So if you want to start buying some hash power, you will need to do the process of verification. The newest option on the Nicehash is easy mining. Easy mining is something like mining, but for a different amount of money. You will buy some hash rate and you will mine solo. If you find block, the whole reward from the block, it will be paid in your wallet. So this for me is something like gambling. Solo mining depends of luck, and you need to be very lucky to find some block. The difference between the packages is how much hash power you will able to buy with this money. So for $2 you will get smallest amount of hash rate, and for $82 you will get the largest amount of hash rate for mining Zcash. In the silver, for silver S and silver M, you are mining Dogecoin, and for $2 the potential block reward is $1,380 in the moment. For silver M or for $20 you will get same reward for $1,380. In Silver L you are mining Bitcoin Cash, and this package costs $207 and potential block reward it's $750. But chances to find block is much greater in these L packages because probability to find block is greater in these L packages. You are competing with L packages. You are competing with 3 people or 5 people in Silver S, but in Bronze M and S you are competing with 695 people or 130 people. So you need to be very lucky to find block in these smallest packages. In gold packages you are mining Bitcoin, and for $2 the potential block reward is 6.2 Bitcoin on or too much money. This is almost unbelievable to get fine. So this is pure luck, and if you are feeling lucky you can try to get 6.2 BTC for just $2. The other packages is same, $20 is for M and $207 is for L. They are claiming that they found from the start of the easy mining they are found 2 blocks in gold L packages, but no one knows for sure that this is true or not. Other options for Nicehash is their exchange. So you can go to their exchange, click on this where it says trade at Nicex and click to nicex.com, and it will open the exchange on Nicehash. They have their own exchange, so you can convert, you can trade, you can see different markets they are supporting. There is many coins to trade here, so you can choose some of these coins and start trading on Nicex. On this button go to Nicehash, it will back to the Nicehash mining site. This was a little bit longer video because Nicehash has many options, and I hope that I explain how to use Nicehash, and you will find this video useful for mining. If you like this kind of videos, please support my channel, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.